Hey guys, my name is Eric. I'm a 23-year-old software engineer, and this is the start of a new series about everything you need to know about finances. So I was talking to my girlfriend yesterday, and I was trying to think like what people our age, so like late teens or early 20s, really need to know about managing their finances or just common questions that people generally have about financial stuff. So basically this series is going to be about like getting a foundation for your finances. So I'm going to take a super real approach with you guys. There's not going to be any bullshit. And yeah, by bullshit I mean like the people who try to take advantage of people our age for like giving them a loan, or I don't know, just trying to otherwise take their money by saying like we have great investing advice, you need to pay a lot for it or something. Yeah, there's no bias, there's no financial incentive for me, so it's just something I want to do because I enjoy it and I think I can have some good advice to give. So my plan for the whole series is that we're really going to start with the basics of everything. So I'm talking like checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards and debt, things that basically everyone is familiar with, but maybe there are like sides to it that not everyone has considered. So like for example, if you don't even have a bank account and you want to open one, like what bank should you go with, or what kind of things should you look for whenever you're opening one of these accounts? Like should you open an online bank or a brick and mortar bank? Are there any fees associated with your account? Just things that all people might not consider or even know that they're there until they get hit with a fee or something. So then I think in the future, once we cover all those topics, then I want to move on to maybe some other financial related things like your car, which is like a big asset in your life usually. Investing, if you have a job, I want to talk about taking like all the benefits from your employer you possibly can take advantage of. Some people might not even know that they have certain benefits at their job or certain ways that they can make money, and they're just leaving money on the table. So you should be aware of things that you might be able to take advantage of. And yeah, I'm not even sure if I want to keep this like 100% finance related only. I'll probably stray a few times into more like lifestyle videos too, if I think that they're relevant to the series. Maybe I'll talk about like how to find a job and things that you might want to consider before you accept a job. Yeah, I think those could be interesting too. So I'll also try to keep these uploads pretty frequent, but I also work a full-time job and I have other obligations. So at the beginning, I'm just going to try to do my best. And yeah, once I've done a few videos and I have like the whole process of like recording it, we're doing some research, uploading, editing, all that stuff, then I'll try to get into more of a like regular rhythm. So I think that's it for me. I just want to keep this series like pretty fun and also having like top quality information. But if you guys have any topics for the series, if there's like any topic or question that you want to know that's related to like finance and maybe getting started with your finances or even some more advanced things, just leave a comment, and if I don't know about it, I'll definitely be doing research and I'll try to fit it into the series. So okay, thanks for listening guys. I'll see you next time.